Telos Alliance presents Spotlight on Axia Quasar, world-class DSP mic and source processing.
One of the things that we did was to completely redesign the channel input processing, creating new filters, EQ, and dynamics processors from scratch. So we decided to take inspiration from some of the most famous analog music production consoles of the 90s and the year 2000s, whose sound contributed largely to create the most popular records of the last 20, 30 years. So we started modeling the filters, EQs, and compressors found in those consoles, and we spent thousands of hours listening to these algorithms and comparing them with the original counterparts. But before starting this process, we realized that we needed to build a listening room with reference monitors used in the mastering industry for just this sole purpose. We know that a very good console sound starts from the best basic ingredients, which are microphones and music. So getting the sound immediately right before it is sent to the on-air processor and then to the transmitter is the key. So the human voice is a complex audio source, and its waveform is not optimized as that of a song which is played by a playout system, because that song has gone through post-production and mastering processes. So it's near perfect. Imagine how big is the difference between the voice of a conductor during a calm talk show in the evening and that of an excited reporter during a sports match. Creating a mic processor that can cover all those cases is the real challenge. In order to do this, we had to create very accurate filter algorithms, a 4-band fully parametric EQ, which is very natural, an incredibly smooth compressor expander, and a particularly efficient de-esser, and finally a channel output limiter, which is capable of shaping the fastest transients. Well, the Quasar processing can be used on any input and any source material. We don't have any limitations of number of inputs or type of source it can be used to. It's important that you know that you don't need to be a seasoned sound engineer or sound designer to use this processing. We did our best to make them user-friendly and to make the UI self-explanatory so that they are also easy to use. And if you really want to dig deep into how they work, you can always have fun reading our fantastic user manual, which will explain you a lot more stuff about them.
Spotlight on Axia Quasar, world-class DSP mic and source processing.